Hello guys, so in this lecture I'm going to talk about Eclipse. What is Eclipse and how to install Eclipse. So in my previous lecture I have already completed download Java and how to set environment variable in the system. So in this lecture we'll see how to download Eclipse and what is Eclipse. So first you should know Eclipse is an editor. That means to write your Selenium script you should have a editor where you can write your Selenium script and run your Selenium script. So this is basically an IDE. So if you see, there are a lot of IDE available in the market. So first have a look what are the IDE available in the market. So if you go to the Google and if you search available IDE in the market, you can see 15 best free code editor for Windows and Mac 2019 update. So if you see, there are a lot of Notepad, Atom, NetBeans, Visual Studio, Brackets, uh, Bluefish, so many editors out there. But nowadays most of the companies are using Eclipse because first of all it is open source. From Google you can download Eclipse and it's very easy to use, and so many plugins are there to use your Eclipse and to run your script. So let's see how to install Eclipse in our system. Go to Google and write Eclipse download. See, for downloading these things like this type of software, Java, Eclipse, you don't need to remember a particular name, or you don't have a particular bookmark and all. You just go to Google and search with the name. Like you need Eclipse, search Eclipse download. So once you done this, you will see this type of page and see the first link of Eclipse, www.eclipse.org, which is their official website link. So just click on that, and if you see their website, so this is their website, and from here you have to download Eclipse. So see, now what is the stable version? Now the stable version is Eclipse IDE 2019-06, and later on you might get Audion, and this is for cloud actually, for workspace server and cloud, and later on you can get Audion also. So see, there are two things: download 64-bit and download package. So if you download 64-bit, you will get directly .exe file. But if you download package, so you will get all those plugins, whatever those guys have already provided for us. So if you click on download package, you will navigate to this page, and from here you have to select which package you want. There are a lot of different tool in Eclipse only. You can see Eclipse ID. This is for Java developers. If you go for developer site, so you can download these things. Or for testing you have to download this thing. For C++, for like PHP, like lot of tools are there, you can see. But as of now we need these things: Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So you can download these things also, but they have lot of tool inside that, and lot of plugins are there which can eat your script performance. So better just download this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So first you have to know what bit your operating system is working on. So most probably it is 64-bit. So if it is 64-bit, just click on 64-bit. You will get a package. After that you will navigate to this page and just click on this. You can see some packages, right? I'll pause it because I have already this. So just it will be around 195 MB. Go to the location. If you go to the location, then you can see this type of zip file, right? this type of zip file you will get, and you have to extract that zip file. So once you extract that zip file, you will get a folder where your eclipse.exe file should be present. So let me search where is my eclipse. So yes, so here is my eclipse, and just go inside there. See, you can see, let me close my existing eclipse. Yeah, so here you can see inside eclipse folder you can see .exe eclipse file. So once you click .exe file, see eclipse IDE 2019 3 whatever we have downloaded just now. So once it will open, you can see the dashboard. So before that you have to choose a location where you are going to save your all the project whatever you are going to write in Eclipse. So okay, so launch. Once it will get launched, you can see the dashboard where you can get like lot of tutorial over there. If you want to check, you can check. Let me show you where you will get all those tutorials. Let it open. mm It's taking time. It's taking time. Let's see. Should open actually within a minute, because for the first time it is opening. So I guess for that reason it's taking time. But yes, it will definitely, it will open within a meeting. Yes, yes, yes. We got it. So this is the first look of Selenium. Okay. So you don't need to see all those things, or if you want you can see the tutorials, overview, samples, what's new in that. Okay, so you can see. So first, so this is the dashboard, and you just click on workbench. So if you click on workbench, you can see the editor, Eclipse IDE. So this is the look where you have to write your code. This is the body where you have to write your code, and this is the package explorer where you can write, you can create your own project and all. So this is the look of Eclipse IDE. So I guess I'm clear with this video, and I'm clear. I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say in this lecture. So in my next lecture I'm going to explain how to download Selenium jars, and how to add those Selenium jars to your packages actually, like whatever packages you are going to create here, how to add all those things, how to patch your Selenium jars to your project. So all those things I'm going to explain in my next video. And guys, one more thing I actually I wanted to share with you. See, I'm not any professional teacher or online tutorial master. Okay, I am a like person who's having like maybe some experience I have. And I thought, okay, let's make some videos on Selenium, on API, on robot framework, whatever I know. Maybe I'll later on I'll make some videos on cloud as well. So if you face any issues in my videos, please reach me out and please communicate with me. I will give you my 100% to resolve your issues. Okay, so yeah, that is pretty much for this video, for this lecture. And see you in my next video. Thank you.